Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Asslamoalaikum. Dear brothers, sisters and friends, today we are going to talk about first human on the earth and first prophet. Abi Musa Al-Shaarai narrated the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah created Adam from handful of dust taken from different lands. So the children of Adam have been created according to the composition of the land. Therefore from man we have white, red, black and yellow ones. We have good and evil, ace and sorrow, and what comes in between them. Ibn Masud and other companies of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that God sent Gabriel onto the earth to get him clay therefrom. The earth said, I seek refuge in Allah from you, decreasing my quantity and disfiguring me. So Gabriel returned and did not take anything, and he said, my Lord, the land sought refuge in you, and it was granted. So Allah sent Michael for the same purpose, and the land sought refuge and Allah, and it was granted. So he went back and said to Allah what Gabriel had said before them. Then Allah sent to angel of death, and the land sought refuge and Allah. The angel said, I also seek refuge with Allah from returning without carrying out his command. So he took clay from the face of the earth and mixed it. He did not take from one particular place, but rather took white, red and black clay from different places. The angel of death, ascended with it, and Allah, soaked the clay till it became sticky. Then Allah said to the angels, truly I am going to create man from clay. So when I have fashioned him and breathed into him his whole soul created by me, then you fall down prostrate to him. So Allah shaped Adam into a human being, but he remained a figure of clay for 40 years. The angels went past him. They were seized with fear by what they saw. And Iblis felt this fear most. He used to pass by the figure of Adam, buffeting it, which would make a sound like pottery. Allah told us in Quran, He created man from sounding clay, like the clay of pottery. When the time drew near the birth, the spirit into Adam, as Allah the Almighty decreed, He commanded the angels. When I breathed my spirit into him, prostrate before him, Allah breathed him spirit into Adam, and when it reached his head, Adam sneezed. The angel said, say, all praise belongs to Allah. Adam repeated, all praise belongs to Allah. Allah said to him, your Lord has granted you mercy. When the spirit reached his eyes, Adam looked at the fruit of paradise. When it reached his abdomen, Adam felt an appetite for food. He jumped hurriedly before the spirit could reach his legs, so that he couldn't eat from the fruits of paradise. Allah therefore said, man is created of hazard. And then the angels prostrated themselves, all of them together, except Iblis. He refused to be among the prostrators. After this, Adam learned another lesson, one about knowledge. Adam realized that Iblis was the symbol of evil and he is in the universe, and that the angels were the symbol of God. However, he did not yet know anything about himself. Then Allah made him perceive his true identity, the reason for his creation, and the secret of his glorification. Adam, along with Eva, started his life on earth. He knew that he was master of the earth and had to make it yield. He was the one who had to pursued, cultivated, constructed, and populated the earth. He was also the one of who had to procreate and raise children who would change and improve the earth. Time on earth went on. Prophet Adam grows steadily. Then Adam and Eva witnessed the birth of their children, a set of twins, Gabriel and his sister Aklima. Later, Eva gave birth to a second set of twins, Abil and his sister Labuda. Adam and Eva were blessed with many offspring. Allah decreased the command to Adam to marry the children of the first couple with the second couple in across. Gabriel with Labuda and Abil with Aklima. Adam then told the Allah command to his children, but Gabriel was displeased with the partners chosen for him, as Abil's twin sister was not as beautiful as his own. Gabriel disobedience and first murder. Adam proceeded to life for about 960 years. There are a murder of a location identified by Muslim executed of being the final resting place of Adam. The main three places are Mecca, Mount Abu Qabayas, Jerusalem, and Khalil Hebron. The teaching from Adam's story, pride and arrogance are always the result of loss and distraction. See, Satan, who deprived of his position as an angel and expelled by Allah from heaven with curses that will attach to him until the day of judgment. Because of his arrogance and his pride, as he refused to prostrate before Adam despite being commanded by Allah. So, Allah Hafiz.